If you're experiencing crashing issues with your PlayStation 5, follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the problem. Step 1. Restart your console. Begin by completely turning off your PlayStation 5. Unplug it from the power source for a few minutes, then plug it back in and restart. This can help clear temporary glitches. Step 2. Update system software. Go to the settings menu and check for any available system updates. Keeping your console updated ensures that you have the latest fixes and improvements that can resolve crashing issues. Step 3. Rebuild database. Start your PS5 in safe mode by holding the power button until you hear a second beep. Connect your controller via USB and select the Rebuild database option. This process can help fix corrupted data that may be causing crashes. Step 4. Check for faulty hardware. Inspect your console for any visible damage or overheating. Ensure that the PS5 is in a well-ventilated area and not obstructed by dust or other objects that could cause overheating. Step 5. Factory reset. If the previous steps do not resolve the issue, consider performing a factory reset. Back up your data first, then go to Settings, select System, and choose Reset options. Select Reset your console to restore it to factory settings. By following these steps, you should be able to address the crashing issue on your PlayStation 5. If problems persist, consider reaching out to PlayStation support for further assistance.